Fix that. Fix that. Fix that. Those. You guys can see them. Good morning, guys. I'm here in the unit. We gotta do some carpet stretching right there. Back there. And some of the rooms. Here's the stairs. We might have to stretch a few of them down there. You guys can see this is the first room. Needs it right at the front. I actually get to use my new power stretcher. I've already used it before, but didn't have a chance to record. So now I'm gonna try. Look at those big wrinkles. Remember, if your carpet looks like this, it doesn't mean it's trashed. It just needs a little bit of stretching, a little bit of repairs. It should be all good. Then we're gonna start with this room. We're gonna leave that one for last. So I'm gonna stretch this one and this one that way. How it should look. From there, we're gonna take out that stretch and hopefully this one. So this one, I gotta stretch out this little area. So those bumps come out to be with these ones. All right, first room is down. Wrinkles gone. Wrinkles gone. This room, stretch it that way. These might come out. Hopefully these come out going that way. We'll see right now because I was really avoiding to do a seam in that door. Definitely didn't take out these ones like I wanted to. So I might have to do it again from here to there though. Oh, it's gonna be hard. We're gonna do the last one. These ones are all good. That one, that's the worst one. That's the one I said I was gonna leave for last. I haven't even been here for more than 30 minutes. And these stretches are about 70% done. Ready. Wow. That is beautiful. You see this? guys have it. That was the bad one. Look at this. Everything completely stretched. Wow. Every single wrinkle came out. Let's see.